Garrett with ULA Equipment, and in this video we're going to be talking about removing and replacing our hoop frame in either the ohm or the circuit pack. So I've got our ohm here, and our hoop frame is going to be inside of the pack. On the circuit, it's the same frame. It's a Delrin and carbon fiber frame that goes from the bottom all the way around and back onto the other side of the pack. So to start and take out the frame, you've got this half moon sleeve. You're gonna unvelcro the sleeve and start rolling it out. Don't worry about bending the frame. It's really flexible. It won't break on you. And to remove it, we're just gonna pull it all the way out of the pack. The ohm has a removable back panel. You can leave the back panel in as you're replacing the frame. It's not gonna get in the way. When replacing the frame, the first part of this process is going to be finding the two tabs at the top of the pack that you're going to slide the straight part of the frame through. So first the right side, and then the left side. I've got my frame in the top two sleeves now, and to continue this process, I'm going to push the frame all the way down to the bottom of the pack. And inside the pack, you're gonna feel two more tabs at the bottom that are the frame catches. Now I'm simply gonna slide the frame in until it catches the frame catch. And it has one for both sides. Now I've got my hoop frame through the two top sleeves as well as the two frame catches at the bottom. And the last step of the process is gonna be to roll it back into the half moon sleeve at the top. Again, this is very flexible, so don't worry about breaking it. And you're just gonna roll it back into the sleeve. Make sure that the seams are lined up, and then close the Velcro. It's gonna be the same process on the circuit. The circuit has a metal frame stay that goes through the middle. You do not have to remove the frame stay in order to replace the hoop frame.